On this first slide, we begin with looking at the matrix or chart of the various tools that you're exploring in the training program, as well as others that exist as in the world. And as you can see in the third row down from the top and the second column from the left, MLab provides a network performance speed measurement test called NDT. One thing to note is that NDT measures the performance of an internet connection to a server outside of the last mile network. So it differs in terms of comparisons to other popular similar speed or performance tests from commercial platforms such as Ookla. You'll be learning more about that difference and the specifics for MLab in the rest of the presentation. One other thing to note is that the UNI test or app also measures network performance or speed and also uses the same tool that you see in the MLab data. So running a performance test within the UNI app is very similar or the same to running a test directly on the MLab website or within some of the tools you'll learn about today. And then finally, while the MLab network performance test and the resulting data seem fairly limited compared to some of the other tools, one other useful way to use it is to to confirm or negate some other data sources, right? Or at least to compare them. And so, for example, if IOTA has detected national, regional, or specific network outages during a particular time frame, MLab data might show similar information, showing way less speeds or way fewer tests. It also could see some parts of networks in specific nations or regions see increases in measurements for the parts of the internet that have remained offline. And so using these data sets in combination with one another and comparing one another results with other information we know about when outages occurred and where, it could be useful to determine for which parts of the internet in a particular country or regions were shut down and which parts were not. This is an interesting topic that you might consider exploring.